This is our first video of Cherokee in the winter. As you can see, it's snowing so hard. There you go. Look how hard it's snowing. There's the cabin. There's the fire. There's the river. It's a whiteout. And where's Lily? Where's Lily? Where's Lily? Where's Lily? Lily's on the bed. Meow, meow.
It's cold outside.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's cold outside.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lily. It's snowing.
Let's go back to the snow, honey.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I can't sit on that. That's all right.
Don't fall in the river.
Not gonna fall in the river. I got naps though. Anybody want to play?
All
Let's
right.
go.
Please don't throw the river axe in the river.
Wow.
Look at the snowstorm. Happy birthday, Wilson.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Don't do all these close-ups and shit. I gotta be quiet. Hey. My
What?
hair just dried and now it's getting all wet again.
What's wrong with your hair?
I got a big puff ball going on.
You just got out of the pool?
Yeah.
In the hot tub?
Yep.
And what year is it? What month is it? What's going on? It's snowing and you just got out of the hot tub?
Yep. Wow.
Man, it's such a
Crazy.
rough life, Gina.
Saw that?
Salute.